What if I told you the secret to a thriving garden isn't some expensive fertilizer, but two simple ingredients sitting in your kitchen right now? Yes, milk and honey. And today I'll show you step by step how to use them to supercharge your plants. First, let's talk benefits. Milk is packed with calcium and proteins that strengthen plants and fight disease. Honey, on the other hand, is a natural booster. It contains enzymes and sugars that feed beneficial microbes, and it even helps cuttings develop roots faster. Now for the recipe. Mix 1 cup of milk with ½ liter of water in jug. Then add just 1 teaspoon of honey and stir well. This creates a gentle but powerful tonic for your plants. Next, apply it. Pour the mixture at the base of your plants to enrich the soil, or spray it lightly on leaves as a foliar feed. Use it every 2 weeks and you'll notice stronger roots, greener leaves, and healthier growth. And the best part? It's cheap, natural, and already in your kitchen.